Hi, I'm Jamie French with Advent Partners. I hope you enjoyed the warmer weather this weekend and hopefully what is the start of spring, although it's never quite clear this time of year. Unfortunately, as we're starting to experience warmer weather, we've also experienced a lot of cooling in the stock market. After a strong start to the year, we've had a lot of volatility lately. And so in this video today, I'm hoping to answer the question, what is driving that volatility? And the short answer is simply uncertainty. Uncertainty generally drives volatility in the markets, and there's a lot for an investor to be uncertain about right now. The primary driver of that is the conflict between the US and Iran and the resulting rise in oil prices that have been a significant concern for consumers. Oil has exceeded $100 a barrel, and we all can feel that when we go to the gas pump, assuming you're not all riding your bicycles everywhere. And so that has created some additional inflation concerns. After inflation had been cooling, the Fed met last week and they decided to hold interest rates steady and take a wait and see approach. Now, prior to that, there was maybe some hope that later in the year there may be some rate cuts, and these recent rising energy prices and the resulting inflation could create a delay in that. So all that creates uncertainty, and the stock markets have reacted accordingly with multiple weeks of declines. The bond market, which typically is a safer place, kind of a haven from the volatility of the stock market, again, with inflationary pressures, yields have gone up and bonds have been selling off. And so that's been a volatile area as well. Then you think of things like precious metals, gold, silver, other things that are typically a good inflation hedge have been very unstable, probably because they had such great returns and are at historically high prices themselves. And so the challenge is all this has created uncertainty. All this has created an environment where investors don't really have a place to hide. And that's what we're experiencing right now. The market isn't broken. It's just experiencing some volatility. And it's currently being driven by factors that are hard to model. War, oil price shocks, the policy reactions that are made to accommodate or account for that. So my reminder for you today is that geopolitical issues, consumer fears, inflationary concerns, those are always going to create uncertainty, and that uncertainty is always going to create short-term volatility. But long-term investors are rewarded by sticking to a disciplined investment strategy. So if you're not sure what your investment strategy is, or if you're not sure how your investment strategy can weather markets like these, or what adjustments you should make, we would welcome a conversation with you and help you navigate that. Thanks for listening today. Have a great week.